Right. Okay, guys. Good afternoon and welcome back. Let's start the class. Still, we are in the management accounting lesson, right? We are discussing about the material control, right? Last week we discussed about what is the term called material control. Material control means the systematic control over the purchasing, storing, and issuing of material that ensures continuous production while minimizing stocking. Is the term called material control, right? In here it is really important the material control to be maintained. I told you the part, and there are different. What are the elements included in the material control? Purchasing, storing, issuing for consumption, and verification of inventories. These are the four elements included in the material control, right? Purchasing, storing, issuing for consumption, and the verification of inventories, right? When it comes to purchasing, I told you there can be centralized purchasing and decentralized purchasing. Centralized purchase means purchasing by one department. Decentralized means the purchasing can be done using the different departments, right? First of all, what we do when it comes to the purchasing part: receipt of a purchase requisition note, invitation for price quotations. Once we issue the relevant required department need to issue a purchase requisition note to the purchasing department. Then purchasing department call price quotation to the relevant different from other different organizations. After the quotations received, then a best uh, company select and sending a purchase order, right? So then after that, sending the purchasing order, then what they do, receipt of material and checking the quality once they receive the material. Then after that, when they receive the materials, at that point of view they receive the invoice of the supplier as well. Also, they issue a good receive note to the supplier. After that, finally, settlement of the due or rejection or the replacement. But before rejection and replacement need to be done prior to the issuing good receive note. Hope you can understand up to here. Still, we are discussing about the purchasing part in here. Then today, first of all, let's discuss about under the purchasing part, purchase requisition note, right? We are discussing about purchase requisition note, right? So what is the term called purchase requisition note? It is a source document. Just wait 1 minute. A source document which is used for requesting to purchase materials. That is the term called purchase requisition note. Is it clear? You send me a thumbs up. That is the term we call as purchase requisition note. Send me a thumbs up. Are you there, guys? Can you hear me? Right? Okay. So that is the term called purchase requisition note. A purchase manager initiates purchase materials when a purchase requisition note is received, right? So the purchase manager initiate purchase materials. Then a purchase requisition note could be prepared by the stores using according to the material requirement with the authorization of the s- uh, storekeeper. Uh, on the other hand, a production manager could prepare a purchase requisition note under this authorization indicating the material requirement according to the production registry. There are many things. Purchase of office equipment and stationery are made by administration, sales, or other departments under the authorization of the respective head of the department, likewise, right? So, when it comes to the example, a purchase requisition prepared by the now in here, uh, once let's write like this. Let's write this short word purchase requisition note. When purchase requisition note received, purchase manager initiate purchasing, right? So that is the thing I want to tell you. Are you okay up to here, guys? Right? Right up to here and raise your hands. Right up to here and raise your hands. So for an example, I can give you like this. Think the purchase requisition prepared by the stores requesting 10,000 liters of chemicals be from the purchasing department on 30th October 2024. Let's take like September, the finish month, right? So you need to draw a purchase requisition note. Requisition number. Oh, date 30th September 2024. Right, this is a kind of a purchase requisition note. Right, so stores are the one who requesting. So the department is the stores. When it comes to stores, the cost center coming under production. Cost center coming under production. Cost center coming under production. Right? Okay, guys, are you there? Can you hear me? Right? Can you hear me, guys? Send me a thumbs up. Right. Okay. Then. So, right. So now normally there's a, like a chart. සාමාන්‍ය පොඩි chart එකක් තියෙනවා purchase requisition note එකේදී. Let's take like item number, item code, then the department, unit of measurement, then required quantity, required date. So let's take like item number one, item code like chemical B නේ. එතකොට අපි දාමු like material B, department chemical for chemical, right? So unit of measurements, measurement liters, required quantity 10,000, required date it's like 14th of October 2024, right? So this is a purchase requisition note and there should be signatures. Okay, guys. Checked by and the approved by. So like there are like another අර කාර්යාලි ප්‍රයෝජනීය සඳහා පමණි කියන ඒවා තියෙන්නේ. අන්න ඒ වගේ. Likewise, you can see for the usage of purchase department. Purchase department. So like now once the stores issue a PR in to the purchase department, so they issue quotations, right? So they collect quotations. Once they collect the best quotation, they issue a purchase order. එතකොට ගොඩ දැන් ඒගොල්ලෝ මේ රික්වෙස්ට් එක ආවම purchase department එකට ඒගොල්ලෝ ගොඩකින් quotation ගන්නවා. හොඳ එකට විතරයි PO එක දාන්නේ. ඒතොර සාමාන්‍යයෙන් PO number එකක් select වෙච්ච PO number එක ඒගොල්ලෝ මේ materials වලට අදාළ මෙතනින් දානවා. කවුද සප්ලයර් කියලා මේගොල්ලෝ දාගන්නවා. සප්ලයි quotation ගොඩකින්නේ ගන්නේ. right? Date, date of delivery. Deliver කරන දවස request. Easy creative, send me a thumbs up, guys. Right? Finish up to here and raise your hands. Video on කරන් ඉමු. Draw this and raise your hands. Are you there? Send me a thumbs up. If you're still writing, send me a thumbs up. Video පොඩ්ඩක් on කරගම් බලන්න සිත්ම සඳිල්. හරි. Are you there, right? Okay. Finish it and raise your hands. Sandil, is it okay for you? Right? Shall I move forward? Right? So normally, first of all, now when a business need the material, first the relevant department need to do the purchase requisition note to the purchasing department. So after that, secondly, what is happening? Invitation for price quotations. Price quotations. Okay. Now, now what is happening in here? To approved suppliers, the purchase department is uh, sending letters by stating we need the quotations. Then quotation එවන්න කියලා ගොඩක් අයට යවනවා. So once any this is for the approved suppliers, right? Not for the like illegal or any other, right? This notice is given by sending letters to the supplier by the newspaper advertisements or anyhow. It is suitable to maintain a list of suppliers who provide materials with accepting quality on time. Now they need to have a pool of suppliers. Then we can have a clear idea. So they can order materials when it requires. Suitable suppliers could be selected by updating the list from time to time. Right. So let's just only write one point. What is the term called invitation for price quotation? Uh, Invitations for price quotations are sent to approved suppliers by the purchasing department after getting the approval for the purchase requisitions. That is enough. Right, only up to here. That is the term called sending the price quotations. So what are how they are giving the invitations? Example, letters, or like for the mostly for the government the organization, they do newspaper advertisements. Finish it and raise your hands. Sitma, Sandil, are you there? Still writing, right? Once you finish, raise your hands. Now, after that, what they do, so once they invite for the price quotations, they select a one, right? Once they receive the price quotations, receipt of price quotations, comma, selection and sending the purchase order. They send a purchase order, right? Which means a purchase manager, a purchasing manager, ළමයි වීඩියෝ on කරන් ඉන්න මටත් කම්මැලි. Prepares a document, all right, prepares a document by including the details such as prices, conditions relating to delivery and payments, etc. After receiving the price quotation submitted by different suppliers. So now there need to be given the approval. The approval for the order is given by considering the approval. So for the purchase order, now to issue a purchase order, there should be approval and amendments made by the tender board. There's in every organization there's a party called tender board. Okay, guys. Now, once the organization approve the quotations, they need to issue a purchase order. Okay. So there is no any necessary requirement to approve the purchase order uh, concerning the given thing. So have prepared this quotation about me, right? Yeah, I have already I have prepared these things. So I have the experience. Normally in the companies they are preparing this one, right? Ah, you who's right? Okay, guys, just wait. Sometimes you may can't see the screen. Now this is the format of a purchase order. Okay, guys, right up to here and raise your hands. You can see a specimen of purchase order with details is given below. This informed that the price quotation forwarded by the supplier was accepted. It was accepted with amendments, right? You can see. Now, if it is accept with the amendments, they are stating it, right? Are you okay with this one? Send me a thumbs up. It's easy. Not only one, they prepare more. Now, they prepare like number of copies of the purchasing thing. Now, for an example, now once they prepare the purchase order, original copy issuing to the supplier, right? When it comes to other copies, one for the stores, another one for the accounting department, another copy for the purchasing department, right? Finish up to here and raise your hands. Let's change the time. So think they are using, they are issuing the purchase order on 2024 October 1st. Finish up to here and raise your hands. Parihara, right? So after that, what they do now, the next process is the follow-up order. Follow-up of order, right? Shall I start? Done. Right. So after that, they follow up the order. What is the term called follow up the order? Now, purchasing department need to be alert till they receive the goods, right? So after placing the order, on the one bullet point, after placing the order, the purchase department is on alert on the reception of ordered items to the stores and also whether A quality test is conducted and whether the supplier makes replacements for rejected items. Then after that, uh, reception of materials පස්සේ බඩු වෙනවා stores වලට and and inception, right? So the now reception on materials means that purchasing department needs to prepare a good receive note, right? Stating whether we have received the materials. Still, I know it's boring till we comes to the mathematical part, but I won't do everything in a proper manner. Then I want to give you every single knowledge. That is the thing. Is it clear? You send me a thumbs up, right? Yeah, I know. උදේ කවුලන්නේ නැහැ. Yeah, let's do only 1 hour today. Because I want to follow up the tunes and other things. Because Fridays, Saturdays, my evening is my free time, so then I can finish it. Still, I haven't given you anything. Because I want to prepare it by my own self. So don't need to write the topic again. This is a good receiving note format. Okay, finish it and raise your hands. Once you finish, raise your hands. I'm waiting to see all your raise hands. Sitma, have you finished?
No, sir.
All right, okay. Take your time. No hurry. Right, okay, guys, turn on the videos, please. Right, okay. So, as I told you, I'm going to do only 1 hour today. This is enough for today, right? So, because we need to have a fresh start, because these parts are boring, I know, right? So, these parts are boring. So, because of that, uh, just wait. We need to have fresh start before next week. Understand? Right? So that's why in here still we are in the material control part. Quickly we need to move to the things and the keep the make sure to keep the password with you. Fariha, are you there? Can you hear me? Fariha, I think you can purchase the paper book. Then we can do the past papers, right? Okay. So now I'm going to start the past papers relevant to this lesson, management account. Understand? Right? Okay. Thank you for the participation. Sarane. God bless. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye.